What is up, everybody? My name is David. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a install of a BulletPoint system. So stay tuned. So this should be a fairly quick install. And what we're doing today is basically making a modification to what I've already done here. Now, this has been a great phone holder, but I'm needing more than a phone up here. I need, for RV travels, I need this is for my tire pressure monitor goes here, and my phone would go here. But I also have the camera and the monitor that goes to, the back of the RV. And I was mounting it up here, but that was bulky. It would always rattle around. It worked. And as Tina and I prepare for our most time RVing, I wanted something that was a little bit more stable. This requires some like bungee cord stuff up here, and it just wasn't good enough. So I'm going to take this out. This is a Pro Clip USA. Like I said, this has been great. It's not been a problem, but I want to install something different. So I'm gonna take this out, put the new one in, and we'll give it a try. All right. Okay, so what comes in this kit is some cool stickers. Looks like it has its own screws and a tool so you can tighten it up. All right, that's cool. This stuff, don't need that. No, I'm just kidding. Always read the manuals. Some cool stickers. All right, and it looks like we have a Phillips screw driver. Thank you. This is the phone holder. Let's check the tension on this thing. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. We will see. And this is the base. And we know it's all about that base. And what we'll do is we're going to mount the phone holder and another device, and I'll show you that here in a moment, to these two mounting points. So let's get this mounted into the base of the truck and let's move on. Oh, there's also a cool bullet. It's a bottle opener. And this is the arm. All right, well, let's get on to the mounting the base. On the bottom of this plate, there is a red strip. So once you've verified that this will fit in properly, you want to then peel off this and let it stick to the bottom of this. So I did verify, it does fit. And now we are going to remove the tape. Okay, so I've got the tape removed, and I'm going to seat it, or just let it sit there very gently. I'm not going to press it down. Here's the screws. All right, so what you want to do is you want to take two of these screws out and use them to hold that base down. Again, it's all about that base. Okay, finally got that screwed in. That is nice and firm. Now we are going to hook up the first arm, and this is going to be for the phone holder. So we will just loosen that up, put that sucker on. We're just going to finger tight things for the moment. Okay. And that will hold my phone about like this. I would probably lower this some, but you can see the angling of this is going to be awesome. I can angle it as needed. A little close to here, but that's okay. I can do this. All right. I also ordered an optional tablet holder. Now, the tablet holder is for that. It's for a tablet, but I'm gonna be using it for my rear view backup camera. And I know it wasn't designed for this, but as a friend of mine once said,
I don't care what anything was designed to do. I care about what it can do. So let's get to work.
I'm going to install the Halo backup view monitor on this. Now, this is the assembly here, and again, I apologize for the light. I know it's probably not the right lighting, but and because it's not designed for this, I want to make sure it didn't pop off. I found a little bungee cord and just have it temporarily bungeed there. But the idea is to put this right here, and what I'll probably do once I get this snug, I'll probably swing this out like so, and then turn this a little bit more this way like so, and this will give me some room. Now I can already tell you I could probably have a shorter arm here, and I may see if BulletPoint will let me swap this out for a shorter one, but for now I think you get the idea. For the RAM, there's a 3 BulletPoint connection rack, but I considered it. It was out of stock for a while, but I went ahead and ordered the 2-point, and just going to keep the tire pressure monitor here. So a little bit of tuning up here of how I want this positioned, but I think you get the idea, and I will report back to you. Let you know how this goes on an upcoming trip where we will get to test all of this before we head out west and before we have some of our longer trips. Okay, so I wanted to give you a view of what it looks like kind of from the driver's seat. Now that I've got all this set up, now I don't have the RV hooked to the camera, the rear camera right now, but you know, you can envision, you see behind the RV. But I have, of course, the tire pressure monitor. I will have my maps here, and also my turbo temp gauge, so I can see the turbo and DPF, and of course the rear camera. I have the front dash cam and the rear dash cam. I want you to see what this would look like from the driver's seat and how efficient it is. Now notice I still have some view here. I can see through where this used to hang here and block most of my view. So looking forward to it. We're getting ready to head to Colorado very soon. Those videos are coming up soon, and we're looking forward to sharing those with you guys. So thanks for sticking around to the end, and please consider subscribing. And thank you to those who have subscribed, you know, for hanging with us. We're getting there. We're happy with what we're putting out. We appreciate you guys hanging around, and stay tuned for some, I'm gonna say some rather personal videos coming up where I haven't really even shared this with my wife over all these years. So kind of something I've been looking forward to for a long time. All right, thanks for watching.